today I am in the Uinta Mountains. I'm on the Shingle Creek Trail, and there's a number of river crossings. They've done some great job making some bridges, but some of these locations don't have bridges. And when you come to a river and you want to cross, but you don't really want to get wet, you got to figure out some options on how to get across. So I'm going to show you one of the tricks I like to do.
So the first step is to identify what you have to work with, how big the river is, where you really want to cross. This is beautiful. This is not an ideal place to cross. I'm going to go up try to find a little narrower area.
This looks like a much better place to try. That's certainly too far to jump, nor would you want to try that. It's a great way to slip and end up getting hurt. There's some perfectly good logs that go all the way across the river up there, but that's too easy for today's demonstration purposes. So, gonna make do. So then you have to decide what your available resources are. I've got a hat, sunglasses, AirPods, a watch, shirt, shoes, socks, all those things are wonderful, but they're not going to really help you get across the river. So you got to look around. Oh, there's lots of sticks and rocks. I'll see what I can do with those. Conveniently located in the bush directly behind me are a couple of nice long sticks. So I am going to select one that I think might be good. Alright, that one is going to be too narrow. Basically, you want something that is long enough to hit the bottom, also thick enough to support your weight. Gonna just keep looking around here for a good stick. Alright, so I found this stick. I think it'll do. It's taller than I am. We'll get down into the creek bed there. Got some good sturdiness and there's a couple of handholds on it. The sticks are sharp or hanging out too much. You can get them off. Another way to get these sticks off is to just plane it, run these over a rock. So, makes it a little smoother, easier to hang on to. Now it's time to go pull out the river. It's time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Doo-dee-doo-dah day. Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Alright, so that is the easier way to cross a river like that. It's a little safer. That's still pretty bad rushing water, so maybe don't do it on something like this for your first try, but look at that scenery. Dang. That's why I wanted to get across the river. I want to go see more.